A lot of people come down to Tijuana for body work. There is good cheap body work. I'm not gonna judge the quality. You can probably find all different levels. Do you agree, Robert? You can probably find somebody that'll paint your car for $2,000 and somebody that'll probably do it, I don't know, for $200. Now, obviously, there's going to be big differences in the quality. So you need to come at it with those expectations. Ask them what kind of paint they're using, how they're going to prepare the car, these kind of things. We're going to swing into a body shop and just give you just a quick look at Robert has what, a little dent or something?
I have a dent on my left side.
So we're gonna get an estimate. Hey, we got a dent. How much is it gonna cost to fix this and paint it? Just to give you an idea. Most of the quality and all is probably be comparable to like a quicker kind of body shop place in the US at maybe a savings. So it might be worth it for you. But again, I will ask the guy as far as how long they're gonna take. I don't know if Robert, would you? I don't know if I'd want to leave my car down here for 3 or 4 days. I mean, maybe, you know, if it's an older car, who cares?
Yeah, I mean, if you have an older car, it might be worth the investment to get the work done here. I mean, I know there's places like Earl Scheib in National City that'll probably, it'll probably cost you around $900 to $1,000 to fix certain dents. Down here, it'll probably cost you about $400.
We're gonna see, but a lot of people are going to say, oh yeah, you know, you take your car to any of these body shops, you're going to come back and they swap the engine. I don't believe that. I mean, I don't believe that at all. If you get drunk and they tow your car away, yeah, you might go to pick up your car at the tow yard and there's 4 brand new ball tires on there for you. That can't happen. And if you're being a drunken idiot down here, you probably deserve that. But as far as some of these businessmen and all, these guys, they're just trying to make a living. They're, you know, trying to do good, honest work. Again, it'll be up to you. I hopefully you could do something like arrange something with one of the body shops down here, come down, drop your car off first thing in the morning, get a hotel, enjoy the city, and then maybe hopefully by the next day, by end of business, everything will be ready and you know, you've saved a lot of money. But we'll check it out. The area of Tijuana is right near the border. What do you say, Robert? We're a half a mile from crossing in, maybe. Right? That's 2 or 3 blocks off of Revolucion, in between Revolucion and the border. We're on 3rd Street right now. This neighborhood, 3rd Street and the streets around it, 2-3 dozen body shops. So if you're just coming down and coming at it cold, come to this area, 3rd Street off of Revolucion, and you'll just see one body shop and upholstery. They do upholstery work as well. You want to get that worn out bucket seat repadded, they'll hook you up. We're at Hernandez Body Work here in Tijuana. Hey, what was your name, sir? Luis, how are you? I'm Jose. This is my friend, and Roberto. And Luis has given us an estimate. Robert, what, had a few too many cervezas and hit the wall, huh? Yeah, he had a few too many modelos.
How much would that cost me to fix this?
Just that one and
And that, yeah.
But 350.
350. What about the other side? I have something else. That's a good deal, actually.
Yeah, it's a really good deal. Hey, Luis, how long would that take to...
Okay, yeah.
God, how many beers did you have, Robert?
No.
He's all over the place, Luis.
About 480.
480?
For everything?
Yeah, because it's got a blue perk. It's in the paint, see?
Okay.
So
The flex?
yeah, the pearl. It's got a pearl.
Oh, the pearl.
Yeah,
Okay.
the pearl.
So that's to repair and paint and clear coat?
Yes.
And it's going to be 480 for everything.
Yes.
And how long will that take?
About 3 hours.
That's it?
Really?
Yeah, we are 3 people working. So
No kidding. Can I ask you, Luis, what kind of paint do you use? Is it
base
PP?
coat,
No, the
DuPont. It's almost
DuPont?
Yeah,
It's like DuPont, PPG, they're the
it's
same?
almost the same.
So it's good quality paint,
yes,
huh?
Yes.
And you paint the entire door?
Yes.
Is that,
we
yeah?
paint it completely, yeah.
Now, do you fix that? What do you do exactly? What do you
Okay, we cut the dents,
do? Okay.
right? After we paint it, we repair, put a primer, and then cover all the door,
Got it.
inside the jams, everything, paint it.
Will it be exactly like the paint, or will there be a
Same.
different color?
Yes. Yeah, because it's got a pearl.
Yeah, see, you got a pearl in that. That's
It's like a blue
expensive
pearl.
paint.
Yeah, it's kind of expensive. Yeah.
What if it was just white, not pearl, just white, regular paint?
It's probably like $350 for the 3 pieces.
So $350 for all those dents.
Yeah, if you put
but we're paying close. Yeah, we're paying closer to $500 because it has the pearl kind of flex.
Do that. I can go low for like $450.
Robert's negotiating a deal. Where do you do the work, Luis? Right back here? Or?
Yeah, it's back in the Pandar room.
Yeah.
Actually, I think they have a car. They're fixing it right now.
Just out of curiosity, let's say he painted the entire car.
Yeah.
What would it cost to paint an entire car?
About $1,200.
$1,200?
Yeah.
And that's how many coats of paint?
That was like four coats, 5 coats.
Wow, so a really good job, huh?
Yeah.
Can you do cheapy, like 2 coats for cheaper?
Probably, yeah. It depends on the color.
Yeah.
Like, see, just like an older car, like what is that little white car over there, the little SUV? If you were just to paint that thing white again, nothing fancy, just clean it up and make it shine.
About 500.
That's it, about $500. So if a customer who watches my video were to come down in the morning, you know, when do you open, like 7 in the morning?
Yeah.
And they dropped your car to you, they could get some basic small repairs, get it painted, and be driving home by 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before that, it's probably.
How late are you open till?
What I mean?
So they're,
¿Hasta qué horas estás?
Oh, we
abierto?
open by 6 o'clock.
By 6, okay.
Sometimes by 5 is when it's getting dark.
And Domingo, ¿a qué horas está abierto?
We open from.
again, there's a Hernandez
7
Body Work.
to-
This is
the only
3rd Street. 2 more blocks is Revolucion. Yeah, so this is Manuel here at the body shop, and yeah, compared to the prices in San Diego, huh? You're gonna just save a lot of money.
We charge good.
And Luis was saying use DuPont paints and all. Yeah. Do a lot of customers bring their cars from California?
Yeah, we got customers from Mexico, Alaska, Georgia.
No kidding, yeah.
Around,
Yeah. Hey, I was going to ask too about tinting. A lot of people ask me about tinting windows.
Well, we got people from.
You got a person who'll come tint it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they tint over here.
What would it cost to like tint the back 3 windows with good tint?
$35, $50.
35, 50. That's good quality tint.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you paint the cars? Do you have a paint booth?
Yeah, over here one.
Oh, a paint booth's over here in the.
This is my friend.
Oh, I see.
Mochito.
Oh, hey, Mochito.
Over here, bro.
Oh, nice paint booth. Well, there you go. I'm not saying everybody should rush down to the body shops down here, but
That's the player over there. You see the man right there?
Yeah.
On the blowout.
Is
That's the player.
Mr. Hernandez?
Yeah, that's the player.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Around here.
Oh, he's
Yeah, he's the
he owns
blowout.
many
He's
body
the
shops?
player.
So like I say, a Tijuana body shop, it might not be for everyone, but if you're comfortable down here and you know, you're not going to see white glistening floors like at many fancy body shops in the US, but these are good hard working craftsmen and they'll do a good job putting your car back together. Hey, thank you. Okay. Yeah. All right, this is what Robert's car is going to look like when he leaves the body shop. I'm just kidding. You see that car?